Hello everyone, Runesmith here, and today I've got something very, very special to show you. These are a collaboration set between myself and Barebones. So, a little bit of backstory on these. I reached out to Barebones about doing a collaboration after I made this custom pick here. This is a coffin handled made of ebony. It's got an ash liner, 301 high yield, and it's a very thin stem Euro style hook. I made this for myself, but instantly after making this I thought that this aesthetic hits Barebones perfectly. So I contacted Barebones, sent a few images and said, would you be interested in doing a coffin handled collaboration? And we went back and forth, and eventually we landed on this. So this is the Ashes to Ashes set. Each set will come with the semi-hard case with a very nice sort of ghostly illustration on it there. It's got Runesmith, it's got my logo down there. It's like a playing card, and it's got Barebones up there. It says in the middle, Barebones and Runesmith. They also come with their very own death certificate, which goes through some information. So, Ashes to Ashes by Barebones and Runesmith. It's a precision set of tools selected in collaboration between Runesmith and Barebones. So this set of tools, there was a few things that we had in mind that we wanted. Firstly, we wanted to keep the cost as accessible. We don't want to make something super expensive. That's not in any of our philosophies. We like people to be able to afford. The next thing we wanted to do, other than obviously the style, the coffin shape, is we wanted to make the handles accessible in the way that they help pickers that need larger handles and more grip. And I think these have hit the nail on the head, or the coffin nail on the head. The swell coming up with the decline there means the pick sits perfectly whichever orientation you choose to pick in. The fact that it's long enough that it sits on that part of your hand makes it very useful. I spoke to a few pickers who need larger handles due to various different conditions, and the number one thing they said was make sure it's long enough. And they are removable, so they can be fit onto different Barebones picks. Each pick is 301 high yield. So the tools that I've selected, I've gone a bit off track there. The tools that we selected in collaboration was the Wishbone set, which is a set of 3 hooks. And these 3 hooks are not for heavy-handed pickers. They're not for absolute beginners. They are very slim stemmed hooks, and they are precision tools to pick high security locks. You don't want to be trying to use these to bully stubborn locks open with. It's not going to end well. Obviously they're a super strong steel, but the steel can only take you so far when you have to create such a precision tool. I believe that these range between 1.7 millimeters wide to 1.8 at the widest points. So these are very precision tools for high security locks. And anybody that knows me will know that I won't have a set without a half diamond in it. Lots of you know my backstory, where I learnt to pick, and my philosophy behind picking. So we have included a very nice, again, slim shank half diamond. The half diamond will be your versatile workhorse of this kit. This will be the tool that you attack most locks with. It's got slightly more reach than a standard short hook. It's got that cow catcher on the front, so you can push past pins that are not yet binding, and it can do everything that most rakes can do. So it zips very well, it scrubs to a good standard, you can rock with it, you can do all your picking methods, and obviously go back to your SPP. It can also be used as a dimple flag, either in a pinch if you haven't got dimple flags, or if your dimple flags are slightly too thick for the Keyway, I usually go to a small half diamond like this, and that will tackle those tighter dimple Keyways. And finally, a fan favourite, the DeForest half diamond. Now this is going to be your bully of the set. This has a much thicker stem, much wider tip. It's going to be the strength, the bully. So if you do have those stubborn sort of master locks and grubby old locks, this is the one that you want to go to. However, this is also the one that you go to when you have that extreme high-low bitting. You can either go to the deepest of the wishbones, or you can go to this. And this is your high-low reach style, especially when you've got a gatekeeper pin or up, down, up, down, up, down bitting. And for tensioners, because we couldn't leave you, although this kit is built with a proficient picker in mind, we couldn't leave you without tensioners. So also included is the full set of Barebones top of the Keyway pry bars. But that's not all. You also have a choice. When picking this set, you can either choose the speckled ash handle, or the Coffin black. Now I think my favourite is the Coffin black. I think it shows the designs very nice. You can see the designs on both, but I think they pop a little bit more with the Coffin. So you've got a choice between the speckled ashes or Coffin black. So I hope you like the look of these sets. Hopefully you can grab yourself a set before they run out. I believe so. I think they were released late yesterday, and I think half of the stock is gone already. These are a limited run. You won't be able to get this exact set again. So if you are interested, it would be worth checking to see if they're available now. I'd like to thank Barebones for doing this collaboration with me. I really like the philosophy behind the company. I love the fact that everything on your website is super affordable, very, very high quality, 301, high yield, and the amount of thought that goes into all the products. You can really see with the handles and the way the sets are designed that a lot of thought and care goes into the sets on this company. Obviously, now that I've done a collaboration with Barebones, I won't be reviewing anything of theirs, because you can't trust someone once they're in cahoots with a company. But that being said, I very, very much like everything that Barebones does, and if you take the time to look into the company yourself and look at the products they do and the quality they have and just the general feel that the community have after dealing with Barebones, you'll see that they are a very good company, and that is why I reached out to them. So thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you like the designs we've come up with, all the little extras and the sets. Thanks for watching.